everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a comparison of my Play-Doh slime. That all you need. I'm just going to tell you some of the ingredients of my Play-Doh slime, which you use Play-Doh and lotion. I just use these back at Works, but we're not doing a slime DIY. So I'm going to be comparing my Play-Doh slime with store-bought slime. And let me just correct store-bought. And without further ado, let's get into it. Let me just try opening my store-bought slime. Already, it feels really weird. This is paint slime, and it's pretty sticky. If you guys came for some of the noises only, this one doesn't really give you that noises, except for this. When you poke it, it doesn't really give you anything like this. Well, it kind of does, but not really. It's kind of stretchy. See? It's pretty stretchy. So I'm guessing it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. That's all I have to say. It's okay. So yeah, that was that slime, and I see paint slime. This video was not sponsored. Now let's move on to the Play-Doh slime. Get out that. Alrighty, it's falling apart. It makes a lot more noises than the store-bought slime. See, listen. So yeah, on a comparison out of the Play-Doh slime and the paint slime, I would say the Play-Doh slime did better. And comment down below what my intro and outro should be. So yeah, and please like and subscribe to join the family, the random peeps out there. I have 2 family members right now, and I really want to get to 100 in 1 year. I know we can do it. I have faith. But right now, I am signing out of this. Goodbye.